Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys are having a beautiful day. We're in Eureka, Missouri today, doing a screen and recoat of about 1,600 square feet. This client was a referral. So shout out to Julie for referring us to this client. And let me show you what we're doing. I got the team on it now. As you guys know, my sanding team. They're helping me today on this screen and recoat. Beautiful red oak floors. They just want to make the floors look improved. They didn't really want a sanding. They just want to look improved, and that's what we're doing today. So anytime you guys see your floors looking a little dullish, need a little imperfections, residue, things like that, all you need is a refresher. A screen and recoat, as you guys know, is the best option, okay? And that's what we provide is options. With these floors, like I said, just need a good clear coat put on it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So you got there, got this area here, family room, dining room, this foyer, bedroom. We tape it out of the threshold there. Yeah, guys, you can see this is the residue and dirt and debris, which is typical. So this needs just a refresher. And it's a maintenance service, guys. So typically you're doing this every 5 to 7 years. And that prolongs the need for a full sand. So saving this client a lot of money. Again, the benefits, no odor, done the same day, and it's half the cost sanding. Let's go, let me show you. Then we got the master bedroom. See, we're already doing this here. We're doing the edging and just abrading it. And again, guys, what that's doing, that's just abrading the top coats, not the wood itself. So it is dustless. And with our system, it does a great job. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to hit the bell, like and subscribe. Perfect. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we're braiding the floors now. This is the buff and coat resurfacing of hardwood. As you can see, we're just abrading the poly off so we can have enough where we can accept new clear coat of polyurethane. This client did decide to go with the satin finish, and that's what we're doing today. And yeah, guys, it's gonna look great. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned. All right, guys, what a gorgeous day, man. What a gorgeous day. They actually have horses out there. What a gorgeous day. Feels like spring to me. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do is get some cleaning prep for my team. Yeah, we're just booked up, guys, for the next couple of weeks. And it's a great feeling. Again, if you guys are in the market for hardwood floors or tile or anything like that, give us a call. Our duct cleaning, we're the #1 in the area. Happy to serve our fellow community and surrounding. So, all right, guys, this is a great product to use here. The team is rocking and rolling. You see, we already screened that. And then you can see they actually came out. And typically, whenever your people get their floors done, we usually recommend a movie company that we network with to come out, move things out, and then put it back after we're done. But in this case, my sanding team came out and they removed all the stuff into the garage area. And then when we're finished, they'll come back after 48 hours and put everything back. So there's another benefit and feature that we do offer clients. So just a FYI. And we got Bub on the palm sander today, doing a great job. And then we have Jerry Sr. screening the floors now. As you can see, guys, these floors are graded pretty good. We're gonna get them clean and tacked here in a moment. And things are good. Of course, this floor is stained, so the rest are natural. We're gonna get this taken care of today for them. And you can just really see, guys, just a lot of the micro scratches, residue, things like that we're gonna be able to get out for them. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. Stay tuned. Perfect.
I'm doing it, man.
All right, guys, we're braiding now. As you can see the dogs where they just, walk on it and scratch with the nails. See all that? That's why it's always important to get, if you guys have dogs, to make sure you trim and the nails up and get them all polished. Because if not, no matter what you do, you're gonna add that to your flooring. All right? The tip of the day. All right, guys, another little tip. Whenever we do a service, we do have a moving company to come out and move our stuff. And because we do not move furniture, but we do refer you out. Whenever they got moved to the garage, and they'll put it back after 48 hours. They did a great job. And little tip of the day. All right, guys, we're tacking the floors now. Everything is going great, and stay tuned for some results. We're gonna tack it after this, and then start laying the first coat of poly. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. What a beautiful day, guys. All right. Let's check on the team here. So we already got that screen there. We got Bub tacking now. And we're getting ready to tack these floors, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got done tacking the floors. We're waiting for this to dry, and then we'll start on laying our first coat of polyurethane. All right, guys, these floors are beautiful. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're putting the first coat now. Stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, going good. We're putting it down. T-bar on the edges. All right, guys, got back from lunch. This is the second coat. Everything looks good, responding well. Look how beautiful these floors are, guys. Satin sheen. Still drying over there, but these floors are good. All right, guys, a little update. We are putting the last coat of poly. It looks glossy now, but it's gonna flash off to a satin sheen. And that's going to be a wrap. These floors turned out great, as you guys can see. So look how pretty that is. It's going down great. We got the master tech rolling now, and the other sidekick doing the edging. Yeah, guys, beautiful. Nice. All right, guys, that's the second coat. We just got finished. All looks good. It looks shiny, but it is gonna flash off to a satin sheen. Client's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a good day. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, here's from this angle. As you guys can see, it's still drying, but I think it turned out beautiful, as you guys can see. And it's gonna be a wrap.